Y'all know what's up. That's right. Rooster got his super clean shirt on. He got his super clean hat. It's super clean on the board. Must be Rooster's super clean video. Y'all check out what we've been doing. These folks, I believe they saw that I won the Detective Super Clean giveaway and thought, oh my goodness, we gotta have this guy try these out and tell us about them. That's what I'm here to do. Folks, I gotta clean up my wife's car. Her wheels are awful. Got this product, super clean. They sent it to me. We're gonna try it out. All wheel cleaner. Foams away grime and brake dust. Super easy, clean and fast. Directions read, clean one wheel at a time. Rinse wheel thoroughly with cold water. Coat wheel surface with super clean all wheel cleaner from 6 inches away. Allow foaming action to work for 30 seconds. For extremely dirty wheels, agitate with a soft brush or sponge. Rinse wheel thoroughly. Dry with a soft, clean towel to prevent water spots. We're gonna give it a try. Let's see what we got. Y'all see that doggone dirty wheel? I hope so. I'm gonna try and clean them up. Doggone thing just got dirt all over it. Nasty, dang brake dust all over my fingers. We're gonna try our best. Give this product a good little try out. I gotta get busy. Sun's come out, feeling good out here. Got my shorts on. Wet it down. Hey, wet down the outside of your car too, man. You clean up wheels, something abrasive like that. You don't want it on your finish. That should be wet. Soak it down, give it 30 seconds. I figured by the time I soak it down and go get my little wheel cleaning brush, that'll be 30 seconds. Doggone fancy little old wheels, hard to get it all up in there. Let's see what we got. Woo! That don't look bad. On this spot, nope. I did not. I did not miss a spot. Tell y'all what, that's shiny. Man, I want me a sticker board. Everybody got them a real nice sticker board. And Rooster don't have one, he wants one. This whiteboard is something that somebody was throwing away because they had written on, someone had written on it with permanent marker. And I'm going to see how well these two products might help me clean this up so that I can use it for my sticker board. I got lots of good stickers from folks, and I would love to hang it up, show it off, but man, you don't want to be putting stickers over that. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with this one. This is just the spray formula. I'm going to clean this green side with it. And this is supposed to be the same stuff in an aerosol. So we'll give him a shake. I hope I can salvage this thing. I think it's going to be pretty nice and make a good sticker board for me. So let's see what we got. We got spray and stream. I think I just want to spray. We're going to start with this side right here and clean it up, see how she looks. And I just got me a damp rag, not a wet one. While I'm doing that, give that a minute to cook. Let's foam this side over here. See what happens. Woo! I like that. Man, I'm gonna degrease me an engine with that stuff. That's the first. Ooh, smell good. Let's start with this side. Move this out of the way. Let's give it a wipe and let's see how she does. Let's clean this mess up. Yeah, having to scrub a little bit to get it though now. Look at him, Rooster got a sticker board. Man, oh man, I believe we're gonna dress this thing up for the end of this. Show you how it looks with all my fancy stickers on it. I am putting a little force on this. Let me get me a clean spot. Y'all give me a second. When I get done cleaning this down, I'm gonna go rinse this rag and wipe this residue off of this. Heck yeah. I got me a fresh rinsed rag. I just want to wipe the residue off of it. We're going to let that dry. And I do believe we got us a good sticker board. I'm liking it. What do you think? I think I did a good job. Thanks to that product and that product. That worked out well. I'll give it one of these. See what else we got around here that's dirty. That doggone thing's just filthy as it could be. I thought I'd just take an opportunity to clean it up before I go any further. So, give me a minute, let's do that. We're gonna try this super clean. Let's see how it does. Well, let's give it a rinse, see what it looks like. Yeah, a little scrubbing. It makes all the difference in the world. I think we're gonna try some super clean. Let's see what she does. We're gonna go ahead and, I think I'm just gonna start soaking it down. Give it a shot. That is. Woo! I like it. I've got my old gallon of burnt motor oil in that jug, and I poured us up 8 ounces. Measured it up. I'm gonna split it between their oil absorber, and I'm gonna use the whole bag, and I'm gonna put it in this little red cup here, and I'm gonna put the same amount of clay, kitty litter, in the other little cup. I just want to see, the label tells me up to 4 times more absorbent than clay at half the weight. I will tell you, the package is light. It doesn't weigh much. This comes in a jug. I think it's a 2-pound jug. I'm not sure. Because we're going to use the whole thing. We're going to open up the looks. It looks a lot like sawdust to me. Let's pour it in the cup.
Whew, that's quite a bit in the cup, actually. Let's shake it down. Put that product here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna mark my cups. I think that's a good idea. I'm gonna put us a SC on that one. And we'll just put clay on this cup. And what I like about these little cups, they got measuring lines in there if y'all didn't know it. So we're gonna bring our clay up to the same amount. Get my bag of kitty litter here. I don't have a kitty, but I do have oil spills, so no more than what that stuff weighs. I'm really looking forward to giving this a try. I may have to go get me a big container of it to have around here. Hey man, that was a good pour. I ain't gonna lie to you now. All right, bring you around here. Let's take a look at this product. I'm gonna add 4 ounces of burnt motor oil to each one of these cups. Stir it up, give it a little time to work, do its job. We're gonna compare them. There's my Super Clean. It does look a lot like sawdust. Feels like it too. It has no odor. And then same thing on my kitty litter. So let's give 4 ounces to each one of these, stir them up, and let them cook for a minute. Maybe I can pour this without overdoing it. I'll just try and show you here. Stop sloshing around. I got 8 ounces in this little measuring cup. We're gonna pour a little bit in the Super Clean. Check it. Nope, need more. As you can see now, put 4 ounces in the Super Clean cup, and let's go and pour the remainder in the clay. What do you say? We walk off, let them do their thing, see what happens. The Super Clean already dried up a lot of that material. I mean, it's ready to add more to it now. But as you'd normally do on a shop floor, you'd be sweeping that in. The clay, on the other hand, same amount. Well, doggone. I wasn't expecting it to be that big a difference. Let me stir that up like you would if you was sweeping it on the floor. There's our 4 ounces of burnt motor oil in the clay. I think that's all it's gonna take. It ain't gonna take it. All right, well, if that's 4 and the clay won't take it, I want to see the bottom. Man, that's just goo. Really not what I was expecting, y'all. Well, Super Clean seems to be doing its job. I've stirred that. It's taking up some more of it. But same amount of oil. And there's my Super Clean jar. Look, that'll absorb a whole lot more. Down in the bottom, we'll stir him up a little bit, but it's soaking it as it goes, but that would definitely have made the difference to me. I really don't think I've got to go any further. Prove the point. That did do a better job of absorbing over the clay. What do y'all think? I'm just gonna take a couple minutes and tell you about my experience with each one of these products. We'll start with this one. I've used a lot of it. I've been using it to clean up engine parts, scrub them with a little brush. Seems to do a really good job for me. Cowlings, cleaning up even decks and things of that nature. It's got a lot of grease on it. Oil in particular. Agitated a little bit. I've been pretty happy with this product right here. It's a good cleaner. All in all, it's good. This seems to do just as good a job as this product. Foam and spray smells very good. It's got a nice aroma to it. I like this. I really do. I got 2 cans of it. I didn't use the other one up. So I like those 2 right there. The one thing I was really impressed with was the wheel cleaner compared to what I've been using. Big name brand stuff too now. I didn't buy no cheap wheel cleaner. I like this. It really seemed to cut the brake dust well for me. I didn't have to scrub. I don't like scrubbing on my nice pretty wheels very hard with anything. I want to use a nice soft sponge type brush to clean them with. And this right here left them looking good. I'm impressed with that. This above all, I was most impressed with. Right there, the wheel cleaner. I liked it. The oil dry surprised me. Shocked. I only had a little 3-ounce bag to try out. And it's been maybe a half hour since I first mixed these up. I still, I think I could soak up a little more with this. That clay still hadn't soaked up. I'm gonna try and show it. Pour it all over everything. That doggone clay still got. Look down in there. Can you see that? That doggone clay still got liquid floating on top of it. Never did soak it all up. And the super clean one, it's still ready to go to work. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna get me a big jug of that, no doubt. Hey, I just want to send a big shout out and a thank you to the fine folks at Super Clean for giving me an opportunity to try them out. I do like free stuff. I don't mind trying it. I'm happy with these. I've used them clean tires, clean small engine projects up. I really like the way this one smells. I can't say that enough. This, when I run out of this, I'm gonna buy this. I'm happy with the way it cut brake dust off my aluminum wheels. So, in closing, hey, if you like these kind of videos, how about a thumbs up? And Lord knows, 1 of the subscribes ain't gonna hurt you. Thank you.